types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U N V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. Ant starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So the star goes to camera. Well done, kids. Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? No, that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C, D. Halloween alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. Let's sort the colors. This is an apple. An apple is color red. That's right. Good job. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is color yellow. Correct. This is a cherry, and cherry is color red. That's great. This is a banana. A banana is color yellow. You're right. This is a tomato. Tomato is color red. Good job. This is a pear, and pear is color Yellow. Good job. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is color red. That's great. This is a lemon, and lemon is yellow. Good job. Congratulations, you did it. Is a age, age, age. What's the sort of age? Huh, huh, huh. That's the sort of age. This is an I. What's the sort of I? E, E, E. That's the sound of I. This is a J, J, J. What's the sound of J? J, J, J. That's the sound of J. This is a K, K, K. What's the sound of K? K, K, K. That's the sound of K. This is a L, L, L. What's the sound of L? L, L, L. That's the sound of L. This is a M, M, M. What's the sound of M? M, M, M. That's the sound of M. This is a N, N, N. What's the sound of N? N, N, N. That's the sound of N. The 5 vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids! Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job. How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job. Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job. Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. An anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Guess the animal. Can you guess it? An alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. Guess the next animal. That is a bear. Good job. And bear starts with letter B. Can you guess the next animal? A cow. Good job. And cow starts with letter C. Let's guess the next animal. A dog. Good job. That's a dog. And dog starts with letter D. What's the next animal? Can you guess it? That is an elephant. You're right. And elephant starts with letter E. How about this one? Can you guess it? Hmm, that is a frog. Correct. And frog starts with letter F. Hello, kids. Let's sing the color song. This is red, color red, 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 red. This is red, color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, color green, 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 green. This is green, color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is white, color white, 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 white. This is white, color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. Do you know what color is this? This is purple. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. Do you know what color is this? This is brown. This is black, color black, 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 black. This is black, color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is black. Very good, children. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a dog. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, It's a cat. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a monkey. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a horse. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a rabbit. Good job, kids!